Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. This is Ahmed with the guy behind the art, and in today's video we're gonna have a look on a new drawing tablet from XP Pen that they sent it to me as a review unit. So I'm free to give my own opinion about it because it's a review unit, as I said, and not a paid commercial. I wanted to put that out of the way before we start checking this device. This is the XP Pen Deco Pro Medium. This tablet comes in two sizes, small and medium, and as you can tell this is the medium one. So without further ado, let's check what's included in the box. First thing facing is the tablet itself. Well, I guess they could use some extra protection around it, like a foam or something, because as we can see, after the condition of the box and the OTGs popped out of their original places, the shipping wasn't that fun of a trip for this tablet. But anyway, as I mentioned, the XP Pen supplies two OTGs with this tablet. One is micro USB and the other is USB Type-C, because this tablet actually works with Android devices and of course Windows and Mac. But only Android, I guess. It doesn't work on iOS. Whether it's a phone or a tablet, just plug it in and start sketching whenever you want. But keep in mind, it's fully relying on your Android device's battery, because this tablet have no battery, and by that it means it's not a wireless tablet. So you should probably carry a power bank around with you if you are gonna use this mainly with your Android device. There's a glove included with this tablet for smooth sliding and easy arm movement across its 11 by 6 inches drawing surface. That's the medium one. The drawing surface on the smaller version is 9 by 5 inches. I don't know about the small one, but this one here seems like enough space to draw on. There is only one cable you need to use for this tablet, a USB to USB Type-C cable. On the USB Type-C end you connect the tablet, and on the USB end you plug it into your PC or an Android device using the specific type of OTG adapter you need. The pen comes in a well-constructed cylindrical case that has two ends. On one end you will find 8 extra nibs to use after your actual nib wears off, and to change a used nib you can use that silver hole in the middle. That's actually the nib remover. However, on the other end of the case you will find the pen and the pen holder. Simple design, but it works well. Also, it's super safe to transport your pen around in this. The pen features an 8192 pressure levels, battery free, doesn't need to be charged or anything. Also, it supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function. So if you are the kind of person that uses this function for shading or to guide your brush strokes, you'll be lucky to have that. I personally don't use the tilt function in my work, so I'm sorry I forget to test that in this video, but I did test it later on and it works perfectly fine. The tablet itself seems solid and well made. It is the winner of Red Dot Award 2019 and the Good Design Award of 2018. Made out of aluminum and features a 7mm curved casing. Features 8 customizable buttons and an illuminated double wheel system that will give you a good and an easy control over your canvas. This silver circle is a mechanical wheel, while the black circle is a virtual wheel, or more like a trackpad, where you can customize it so you can use it as a mouse pad or to scroll up and down or to many other functions. The mechanical wheel is also customizable, although in my opinion it is best to use it just to zoom in and out, because you know, you got that virtual wheel that can do all of the other tricks. Software is pretty simple to install and to use. It will allow you to manage all the functionalities on the tablet and the pen, like controlling the pen sensitivity and changing the functionalities on the pen and the tablet buttons. And of course it works on Windows and Mac, but such thing is not available on Android yet. Speaking of Android, I tried it on the Samsung C9 Pro with 6GB of RAM and a 6-inch display. I tried that on Sketchbook, a well-known drawing app. My complaints are it doesn't work horizontally and there is no indicator on the screen, so you cannot know where your next stroke will be exactly, although you can see like a brush hovering around if you zoom or make the brush size big enough, but still not as a well-seen indicator. Also, the buttons and the wheels are used on third-party apps like this one. However, on the Deco Draw, the official XP Pen app, you get the indicator, which is helpful. Also, it works horizontally. Also, the mechanical wheel works as a zooming in and out option. The other buttons works just to change the brushes. I didn't get deep into this app though, so I don't know if you can customize the buttons on it or it is a standard thing. I mean, it's a software thing, everything is possible. The lines are super smooth on both apps and the pressure works just fine. I feel almost no delay between my hand movement and the produced lines on the phone. Although I didn't use it for long, but the phone got somewhere hot, so you definitely should avoid using Android devices to draw outside under the sun, especially under the sun, as I know many of you will be thinking of this as a portable drawing option, so it may get super hot. However, on Windows and on Photoshop, the lines are super steady and smooth, and I like the quality produced out of this pen tablet. Even I disabled the smoothing option on Photoshop, the lines and the pressure sensitivity are just perfect. I have only one complaint, which is about the pen or the tablet, I'm not sure, but I tried to fix it in the driver but I couldn't. And it is that the pen needs some, I'm saying some, not much, some extra power to trigger the first light lines. Compared to a Wacom tablet, while the Wacom pen can draw the first line relying only on the weight of the pen. It's not the case for XP pen, you need to press a little bit harder to start drawing. It was kinda annoying at first, but probably it's something I can get used to it if this was my only drawing option. It is not a big of deal actually, but this is the only difference in drawing experience that I noticed between the Wacom Intuos Pro and the XP Pen Deco Pro. And that's pretty much it for this review. Though I forgot to mention the price of this tablet, it is $129.99 on Amazon at the time of shooting this video. And probably, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I can call it done. If you have any questions I didn't cover about this tablet, drop them in the comment section, you're welcome. And I'm sorry for not being active here lately or anywhere else on my pages. I'm actually having a busy year, so thank you for understanding. Hope to see you guys soon in another video. And by that, God bless you all. Peace.